Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Saanvi Says. Hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I am going to teach you about time for 3rd grade. Before that, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Saanvi Says. Okay, now let's start. Now I am going to explain you about time. In a clock, the minute hand moves one digit to another and passing within one digit to another makes total 5 minutes. The minute hand takes 5 minutes to move one digit from another in the clock. Thus, 12 to 1 is equal to 5 minutes. 12 to 2 is equal to 10 minutes, and so on. As the minute hand moves, the hour hand also moves, but very slowly. When the minute hand makes one full turn, the hour hand gets to the next digit, and that's how the minute and hour hand cover one hour. Now let us understand the hour, minute and seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes because in the clock there are 60 minutes total. So as I said before, when the minute hand takes one full turn, it covers up 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. If it takes 2 turns, which is 2 hours, then the minute will be 120 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And this goes same because the second goes a bit faster than the minute, like tick, 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 till while completing one round, it makes 1 minute. So that's why 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. The same goes like minute and second. 1 second goes like tick. Within that, the 60 thirds go tick, 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 very quickly. And same goes with 60 fourths. Now how did we get 60 minutes in 1 hour? Because like 1 second, it goes tick, 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 tick between one digit to another and it makes 5 ticks. So we have 12 digits. So let's multiply it by 5. So 12 into 5 is equal to 60. That's how we got 60 minutes, 60 seconds, 60 thirds, 60 fourths, etc. Now let me show you some examples how to calculate time. But before that, I want to show you something important. See, do you know 5 tables? It's very easy. Like 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Just like that, in a clock, there is also 5's table. But how? See, imagine this is 0, not 12. So, 0 into 5 is equal to 0. So, 0 minutes. If the minute hand is here, then when it moves from here, 5 ones are 5. So, you will get 5 minutes. And when you move to 2, you will get 10 minutes because 5 twos are 10. And like I showed you before, there are 5 minutes for minute hand, 5 seconds for second hand. Now I am going to write minute hand as green and hour hand as blue. Now let's start our example. So, our hand is near at 4. So, the hour or the time of hour is 4. And 4, 5. And do you know how? Because our hand has traveled 12 to 4, which makes 4 hours. And the minute hand has traveled to 12 to 1, which has 5 parts. So it makes 5. So the time is 4, 5. Now we will do our next example. Okay, now I am going to give you a bit complicated one. Okay, now what is the time? You don't know now? That because the minute hand is between 9 and 10. So, like I told you before, one digit to another has 5 partitions. So, let's see which the minute hand is pointing where. 3. So, let's calculate 5 nines are 45. Then we will count ahead of 45. This is 45, 46, 47. So our answer is 47. 47 minutes. And our hand is between 6 and 7. Until the minute hand comes to 12, we will consider it as 6 only. So our answer is 6 hours and 47 minutes. Now let me show you some examples. The minute hand is at 1. So 5 into 1 is equal to 5. So 5 minutes have passed. Our hand is pointing in between 5 and 4. So the number we should select is 4, because until and unless the minute hand completes one full round, we should consider the before number always. So our answer for this is 4 hours and 5 minutes. So in this example, the minute hand is pointing at 6 and our hand is pointing between 8 and 7. So the time is 7, because as I said before, we should not tell the after number unless and until the minute hand reaches at 12. So we will consider the second number, the before number. And 6 into 5 is equal to 30. So our answer is 7:30. Now let's do our last and final example. Question number 3. This might be a little tough for you. Do you know why? Because the minute hand is between 3 and 4. Now let's see how we need to calculate this one. For example, I am 3 steps far from the tree. So understand this like a clock, like minutes. So I'm going to reach 6 o'clock. So there are 3 minutes to 6 o'clock, we should say. So I will come near the tree. 1, 2, 3. 3 minutes are over. Now it's 6 o'clock. But I want to reach this garden, which is side here. Suppose. have to cover these 3 minutes to get 6 o'clock. And same goes here. This is 6 o'clock. Sorry, this is 6 hours are there. So we will write 6 hours. Now, before I said from one digit to another has five parts. So let's make 5 partitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have made 5 partitions. So let's see where the minute hand is pointing. It is pointing at the 3rd line. So let's see what is 5 15s are. 5 3s are 15. So we will count ahead. This is 15, 16, 17. So 6 o'clock, 17 minutes. 17 minutes. Now do you understand? Just like this example, we can say to this example as 17 minutes past 6 o'clock. Now let us see some examples of past and to. Here it is given for the minute hand is on 4. The hour hand is between 8 and 9. So our time is 20 minutes past 8. Let's see the next example. The minute hand is on 5 and the hour hand is between 10 and 11. So the time is 10:25. In this example, the minute hand is on 8. The hour hand is between 6 and 7. So the time is 40 minutes past 6. The 4th example. The minute hand is on 10. The hour hand is between 1 and 2. So the time is 10 minutes to 2. We can also say as 50 minutes past 1 and 10 minutes left to 2. Now our last question. Minute hand is on 8. The hour hand is between 3 and 4. The time is 40 minutes past 3 or 20 minutes to 4. Now let's see what is next. Okay, in this I am going to show you about second hand also. Now I am going to explain you about hour, minute and seconds all together. It is simple and same because it is just like minute hand, our second hand. Like it has reached 1. Tick, 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 tick. Now it has reached 1. And same for minute hand. It will be 5 seconds but. And for minute hand it will be 5 minutes. You get it? Same like let's take it here, second. So what are 5 into 9? 45. So there will be 45 minutes if the minute hand is here. And there will be 45 seconds if the second hand is here. Now let's start with our examples. Now let's start with our first example. Now our minute hand is pointing almost at 7. Let's separate, let's make 5 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see where the minute hand is pointing. It is pointing here. So this is 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So it's pointing at 34. So our minute, so there are 34 minutes. Now let's see how many seconds there are. Okay, we also need to make partition for this. Okay. Now our second hand is pointing between 3. So our answer is 3 seconds. So our full answer is 8 hours 34 minutes and 3 seconds. Now let us see some question and answers. Let us see the first question. How many numbers are there in a clock dial? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 numbers in a clock dial. So our answer is 12. Now let's see second question. How many times does the hour hand travels in a daytime? In one day, the hour hand completes 2 rounds. So our answer is 2 rounds. 2 rounds. By how many numbers does the hour hand move in 3 hours? The hour hand moves 3 times in 3 hours. 3 times. Now let's see our question number 4. The hour hand moves from 6 to 10. How many hours have passed? Okay, let's see here. The hour hand passed 6 to 10. So let's count how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so our answer is 4 hours. Okay, now let's see our fifth question. The hour hand has completed 2 rounds. How many hours have passed? See, the hour hand travels 2 times. 12 to 12, again 2 times. Okay, so if we multiply 12 twos are 12 twos is equal to 24. So 24 hours. So the answer is 24 hours. Now I am going to show you how to convert days into hours. Now let me show you how to convert days into hours. Okay, so our first question is 9 days, and we need to find out how many hours are there. Okay, so answer. So 9 4s all 4 nines are 36. So 6 we will write here and 3 is for carry. 9 twos are 18. 18 added by 3 is equal to 21. So our answer is 216 hours. Let's do another example. Question number 2. 25 days. Answer. Just like before, we need to write 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 25 days is equal to 25 multiplied by 24 hours. So let's multiply. Let's do the rough work. 25 multiplied by 24. Here I am going to show you one 2-digit technique also. So first we are going to multiply 4 by 5. 4 5s are 20. 0 is here, 2 for carry. So we will multiply 2 4s are in 5 2s are. 2 4s are 8 plus 2 5s are 10. 8 plus 5 is equal to 18 plus 2 is equal to 20. So 0 here and 2 again carry. And then we will multiply 2 into 2 is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So our answer is 600 hours. So 25 days has 600 hours total. And for this technique, I will show you in my next video. So thank you everyone for watching my video. And again, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Saanvi says. Bye.